Samyupsal na may unli cheese, unli ramyun, unli grill at open 24 hours. Hello mga ka-food hack! I'm here at Gogi Marami Lancaster branch. Ito ang rates nila. For weekdays lunch, it's $599. For dinner and weekends, $699 flat. Kung solo ka, mag-additional ka na lang ng 100. At kung may kids ka naman nakasama, 5 years old and below are free. Then 6 to 10 years old is half the price. Sobrang family friendly, di ba? Pero ito yung honest review ko. Ang linis ng buffet area. Walang kalat, walang sauce spill. Ang bilis din mag-refill ng food. Kaya hindi ka mabibitin. At ang saya ha, kasi may unli cheese, unli egg, ramen station at frying egg station. Hindi rin mausok dito. Tapos charcoal grill pala ang gamit nila. Kaya yung meat, ang sarap ng flavor. And ang kapal ng hiwa ng meats nila ha, parang premium cuts talaga. Self-service lahat, kaya ikaw bahala kung gaano kadami ang kukunin mo. Pero reminder lang ha, may leftover fee sila na 200 per head. Kaya eat responsibly mga ka-food hack. Walang service charge, cash only for now at may pay parking din kaya sobrang convenient. Alam niyo yung tipong hindi ka lang busog pero satisfied na satisfied ka. Yun yung feeling dito. Kaya mga ka-food hack, kung gusto niyo ng sulit, malinis at legit na samyup experience na anytime pwede mong puntahan, Gogi Marami Lancaster is the place.